So in this lecture, I'm going to cover the difference between a private eBay account and a business eBay account. Okay, one thing you need to keep in mind, if you are going to apply for self-sponsorship, the private account is not something that you even need to think about. Okay. If you already have an account on eBay and it's a private account, and if that account is old, what do I mean by that? Old mean if that account is, let's say, more than 6 months old, you've been using that account for buying, I will recommend you should upgrade that account to a business account. But you do need a business account for that. So obviously the business account is something that for, regular selling, bulk selling, running a store, making a profit. That's the reason we are going to do the business account. We're gonna be a business, we're gonna be running a business, so that's the reason we need an eBay business account. If it was let's say we are just trying to get rid of the item inside our house which we no longer need, like clothing, that kind of stuff as well, for that the private personal account for eBay is completely fine. So I'm also going to show you, if you already have a personal account, where do you can upgrade that one. Sometime you will find that option, sometime you won't find that option as well. So you need to go inside your eBay, click on the account setting. Once you will click on an account setting, you will need to click on the business information right here. Once you will click on business information, you're going to see your account type right here. So this is a sole trader account, which I'm using for the sake of this tutorial. I can see the edit option right here in front of it. So you need to click on edit and you need to upgrade that to a limited company. And then you obviously going to need to add the details for your limited company. But due to some reason, if you don't see this option, the option which is right here, edit, in that case, you're going to need to call eBay and then they will fix it for you. Some account you do get an option, some account you don't get an option. So you will need to call eBay, tell them, explain them that you need to upgrade your account to a limited company account, and then they will put that option in for you, or they will be able to do that on the phone for you as well. So that's you need to go about it. You always need to make sure that you use a business account, and to receive the payout from eBay, you need to use the business bank account for your limited company.